Today we're going to talk about the FLITZ gun and knife care kit. I've been using their polish for years, and now we're going to show everything that they offer. First of all, we're going to open up the polish. This is a product, as I said, I have been using for years. And if you look, I used it on this ruler. See how shiny that is? We're going to take and we're going to see how we can polish up this bug. Take this nice rag that came with it and just start rubbing a little bit on this knife. I like to rub a little bit on it and just let it dry for a second and then finish. That should be enough to finish up everything on this I want to do. Of course, be careful when you open it. Now we got all the polish on it. We're going to wipe it off. As you can see, it does an excellent job on the brass. Now we're going to try some of the gun and knife cleaner. Oh, that's this one. I'm just spray a little bit on this Smith & Wesson. We'll see what we got here. I believe you can see it did an excellent job cleaning this up. Now we're going to try the knife and gun wax. Got a nice consistency to it. I like to open it up, that way you get everything on here. This is my first experience with the cleaner and the wax they have, but I believe it's pretty impressive. I think when I get through looking at this, you're going to wiping it off, you're gonna like the way it looks. And I think they did an excellent job on that. And we're going to put some of it on this stainless steel rubber. And as I said, I have used the polish to get this shine on it. So now we're going to just put some of this wax on it. Well, I'll tell you what, we'll put some clean on it first. That way we can demonstrate it on both types of guns. And it did a nice job on this stainless steel. So now we'll put the little polish on it. Then we'll have some final thoughts on the products. That shined up really well, and we might as well put a little of the wax on the knife too. Now that I've demonstrated all these, we're going to have the final words. Now, I said it was all they had to offer. I was a little wrong on that. They have a multitude of products. Check out their website, like and subscribe. Don't forget there's a Bearded Sharpener Facebook page, and share it, and we'll see you next time.